everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at prompt categories and examples. What am I talking about? We're looking at OpusClip Prompts, their categories and examples of what the prompts look like. So we have the first category, which is scene. And what is the prompt? You can ask it, give me the part where Patrick Mahomes throws a 3-yard touchdown. I hope I got the name right. Or is it Mahomes? I'm not really into sports. Next category is action. Example of the prompt you can give is, show the host unboxing a new iPhone and giving first impressions. Next category is the emotion category, where you can say, find all the crying scenes during the final act. And we have the character category, where you can ask it to find clips of Barack Obama speaking at a particular event. Then lastly, compilation, where you can compile all moments with people applauding. You see? Now, what are the elements of a good prompt? To ensure accuracy or to increase accuracy, you have to include these elements when crafting a prompt. 1. Subjects. For example, the woman in a yellow dress. Action. Throwing a touchdown. Emotion. Laughing hysterically. Sound. Audience. Cheering. Event. Product launch begins. So those are the elements of a good prompt. Here are the prompting guidelines. 1. Be clear and specific. Include subject, action, and context. 2. Use natural language. That is, the AI is trained on English language prompt, so you must use natural English language. 3. Think visually and emotionally, which means you need to describe what the viewer would see or feel. And lastly, use full sentences. Avoid vague phrases like make a video. No, you have to tell it in full exactly what you want it to do. They also avoid these generic phrases like clip video or create a highlight. Avoid using those. Be very specific. Then also avoid using prompts for tasks like audio cleanup, aspect ratio changes, or applying effects. Also avoid one word or abstract input, for example, funny, good, cool. Here's an example of a detailed prompt. Smiling woman planting herbs in an urban garden at sunset with warm, natural lighting and a realistic video style. Slow lateral camera movements. Now, this kind of prompt helps the AI deliver cinematic, highly targeted clips that align perfectly with your creative vision. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.